Manufacturing of Portland cement by Rotary Kiln process is explained in step-by-step procedure. Introduction of cement. Cement is a fine grain powder which has adhering property. On mixing with water, it forms a paste which can bind building materials like stone, brick, gravel, etc. It is an anhydrous powder obtained by burning a mixture of various metallic oxides, calcium, aluminum, iron, silica, etc. at a high temperature of about 1500 to 1700 degrees Celsius. The chemical name of Ca is calcium, Al is aluminum, Fe is iron, Si is silica, meaning of anhydrous powder, waterless powder. Manufacturing of Portland cement by Rotary Kiln process. Raw material of Portland cement and their importance. Calcareous materials which supply lime. Example, limestone, cement rock, chalk, shells, waste calcium carbonate. CaCO3 represents calcium carbonate. Argillaceous materials which supply silica, alumina and iron oxide. Example, clay, shale, slag, silica sand, slate. Gypsum, CaSO4 2H2O. Increase initial setting time of cement. Ferriferous material, iron oxide. Functions, provide color, strength and hardness. Functions of calcareous materials. Lime, CaO, main component, 60 to 69%. Its excess or less amount can reduce the strength of the cement. Functions of argillaceous material. Silica provides strength to cement. Alumina enables quick setting. Excess amount can weaken the cement. Manufacturing process. Mixing. Dry mixing, wet mixing. Dry mixing. Calcareous materials, argillaceous materials. Materials are crushed, then stored. Then it forms as a dry mixture. Wet mixing. Calcareous materials, argillaceous materials. Materials are crushed and water is added. Materials become slurry. Materials are washed and then stored. Materials become wet mixture. Manufacturing process. Burning. Rotary kiln. Diagram as shown. Burning. For this process, rotary kiln is used. It is a long steel cylinder 2 to 4 meter of diameter and 60 to 90 meter in length. It is lined with refractory bricks. This kiln is 5 to 6 inch inclined towards the exit end. It rotates at a speed of 1 rotation per minute. Processed materials from mixing process introduced at upper end of kiln, then passes slowly to lower end at a controlled rate by slope of kiln and its speed. Drying zone. Temperature is near about 400 degrees Celsius. Separates volatile matter, dust. Calcination zone. Temperature is near about 1000 degrees Celsius. Limestone decomposes into calcium oxide. Carbon dioxide released through exhaust as a gases. Linkering zone. Temperature is about 1700 degrees Celsius. Reactions of lime and clay. Two molecules of calcium oxide reacts with silicon dioxide which converts into dicalcium silicate which is represented as C2S. Three molecules of calcium oxide reacts with silicon dioxide which converts into tricalcium silicate which is represented as C3S. Three molecules of calcium oxide reacts with aluminum oxide which converts into tricalcium aluminate which is represented as C3A. Four molecules of calcium oxide reacts with aluminum oxide, further reacts with ferric oxide or iron oxide, converts into tetracalcium aluminoferrite which is represented as C4AF. CaO is represented as C. SiO2 is represented as S. Al2O3 is represented as A. Fe2O3 is represented as F. Cement clinker, dicalcium silicate, which is represented as C2S, tricalcium silicate, which is represented as C3S, tricalcium aluminate, which is represented as C3A, tetracalcium aluminoferrite, which is represented as C4AF. These four materials formed in clinkering zone are combinedly called as cement clinker. Grinding. During the procedure of grinding, gypsum is added to cement clinker. If cement clinker is directly used as powder form by applying in any brick walls or stones, the setting time becomes very early. Mortar becomes hardened before applying. To avoid early setting and hardening, 2 to 3% of gypsum is added to cement clinker. While grinding the cement clinkers and adding the gypsum 2 to 3%, the powdered cement is obtained. Step 1. Cement clinker. Step 2. Grinding. While grinding the cement clinkers, 2 to 3% of gypsum is added. Step 3. Powdered form of cement is obtained. Powdered cement is packed as 50 kg bags and used in construction works. This powdered cement, when mixed with water, early setting and hardening is avoided or stopped. Note: CaCO3. The chemical compound is represented as calcium carbonate. SiO2. The chemical compound is represented as silicon dioxide. CaO. The chemical compound is represented as calcium oxide. Al2O3. The chemical compound is represented as aluminum oxide. Fe2O3. The chemical compound is represented as iron oxide.